Hey everyone, this is Tim from Your Six Tech. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to zoom in on your screen using your Windows 11 computer. And if you do have like certain applications open, maybe it's like photos or maybe it's an internet browser, if you hold down Control and then you zoom in with your mouse cursor by scrolling this up, Control and up, you can zoom in on your web browser. And you can see it's going to like 150% to 100% right here. So you can easily do that, Control, and then roll the mouse button forward, the scrolling wheel, and that'll zoom in right there. You can't do it on the desktop. You can see my applications become bigger or smalling, but it won't zoom me in on anything apparent right here. But we can also do this like under Photos. If I go to Photos, I open up a photo, I should be able to zoom in just on a photo. So let's open this baby up and we can zoom in. So this was a resort I was in the Philippines. Ooh, that was such a nice night, like 83 degrees at night, sitting by the pool. But we can also do this under accessibilities and settings. So let's go to here, go to settings, and then go on down to accessibilities. Then we go to where it says Magnifier. And then we can turn on the magnifier. It says press the Windows logo key and the plus sign to turn on magnifier. And press the Windows button logo key and off to turn it off. Okay, so we can turn it on right here. And it's going to zoom in and we can decide how much we want to zoom. So it says Windows button and the plus sign to turn it on. So where is the plus on my computer? I believe this is going to be under the equal sign right next to backspace. So that's to zoom in. Then we want to press minus to zoom out. So plus sign to zoom in. So Windows button, boom. Press the Windows button and the minus symbol. That's right next to 0 on the keyboard. And then we can just probably just turn it off by clicking that. And it will turn off. So we can turn on anytime by pressing Windows button plus and zooming in. So that's great. Then you just turn it off right here. Or press Windows button minus to zoom out. Okay, perfect. We can turn it off and it's now off. And then here are the different zoom levels. Press the Windows logo key and the plus or minus sign to zoom in and out. Okay, perfect. And then view full screen, Control Alt F. So we can go to this, Control Alt F. What does that do? Control Alt F. Alright, but that is how you can use the magnifier. So the Windows button just looks like this little button down here on your keyboard. Otherwise you can just turn it on right here and it'll zoom in specifically where you want it. You can even go to options right here, the speed. But hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up. And subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on Your Six Tech.